Hiya, today we're going to make a mixed pepper and mushroom pizza. You have the option to spice it up, and if you're going to spice it up, we're going to use a little bit of chilli flakes in it. Right, this is what you need for the base. 14 ounces of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of this is easy bake yeast, some ground black pepper, some salt, did we say olive oil?
Olive oil, yeah.
We did say olive oil, yeah. And 8 fluid ounces of warm water. For the topping, we're going to have, like I said, chilli or not, passata, oregano, this is dried oregano, some button mushrooms that we're going to slice, a red onion, some sliced mozzarella because it's easier to lay on the base for the topping, just little bits of red, yellow and green peppers. If there's any filling gaps, we'll fill it in with some grated mozzarella as well. So we'll set a base up and we'll show you what to do. Okay. Right, we're going to get a base set up now, and we've got 14 ounces of plain flour which we measured out, so we're just going to tip that in. So we're going to have 2 teaspoons of yeast. You can do it that way, but there is 2 teaspoons in the pack, so just do it that way. I'm going to do a teaspoon of salt. I'm not going to do a big teaspoon, just smallish type one there. That goes in as well. We're going to make a well in the centre, so it's the same base as for the margaritas. All the bases are the same. Even if you're going to do garlic bread, you're going to do the same sort of base. Right, and we're going to put 8 ounces of warm water in the middle, like we did with the other one. And stir it up. And when we've stirred it in a bit, we'll get our hands in and we'll roll it up. So when I've got it mixed together a little bit, I'll come back to you. Okay? We've mixed the base a bit together, so what we're going to do then is take it out, transfer it to the countertop, and you're going to bend it and stretch it for about 5 minutes. What you're going to do, if it's sticky on your hand, you want to add just a little bit more flour. So just do that, and then knead it in, just till it's, don't over flour it, but don't have it so it's sticky and sticking to you. And then when you get it to the right consistency, you're going to knead it for about 5 minutes. And then we'll get back to you. I'm just going to knead it a little bit, fold it over, bend it, press it, get the kids to do it for 5 minutes, and then you're sorted. Okay, so I'll come back to you in 5 minutes. We've bashed it up and we've got a nice little mould bowl there. So what we're going to do is put 2 dessert spoons of olive oil on it, and then we're going to roll it in just so it coats all the sides. And then when you've done that, you're going to cover it with kitchen roll. So just roll it in it. So make sure all bits are covered. And when it's all covered over, we can get our kitchen roll. It has mysteriously disappeared over there. Thank you very much. And we're just going to put 2 pieces of kitchen roll over it. We're not going to press them down. Just going to put them off because you don't want to take all the olive oil off. Leave it over it and then give it about half an hour. We'll come back to you. Okay? We've left it for half an hour. We'll take it off. Ta-da! And we're just going to wipe away the excess olive oil. And then we're going to split this into 4. And each one is going to be a base. So, we'll get a knife, put it in the middle. Just pull it away. Cut the other one in half, like that. And that's going to be one base. You can use these later, you can put them in the fridge, or if you're going to make 4, one after the other, you can use them then. What we're going to do, just wipe the board, it's oily, and we're going to get a flour, and we're just going to roll this out to how we want it. So put some flour on your board, and on top of that, and we'll roll it how we want it, get it quite flat. And when I've got it how I want it, I'll come back to you. Okay? Put a bit more flour on if it sticks to your rolling pin. Right, we've rolled it out and it's about 1 mil to 1.5 mil because it's going to rise, is this, with the yeast in it. What we're going to do then is get your tray. This is a pizza tray with the holes in. And then just get some butter and margarine, just grease it up with a bit of kitchen roll because you don't want it sticking. And when you've done that, get your oven turned on. So we want our oven on 180. This is a fan assisted one, but still put it on 180. And then I'm going to transfer the base, what we've got, onto the tray. Now then, that's not a bad job, is it? Spread it out. And then we're going to put a topping on. So what we'll do is get a topping ready and I'll show you what to do. Okay. What we'll do now is put the topping on. This is a basic topping for either margarita or whatever you're going to put on it. And you want 3 dessert spoons of the passata, which you're going to put on. And then you're going to use half a teaspoon of oregano. If I can ever get the lid up. There we go. That gives you such a good flavour, does that? And then you want half a teaspoon of olive oil. Put that on. And then a nice little ground black pepper. And a little pinch of salt. Just a tiny pinch. Put that on. Get rid of that. Now then, if you're going to make a spicy base, because you're doing the base first, you can add a tiny pinch of chilli flakes. And you put that in and then mix it in, because you're doing the base first. And then cook it as you're doing this. And we're just doing an onion one for a minute. So now, you're going to mix all this in. Make sure that your olive oil and everything's all mixed in. And then you're going to spread it out. So just make sure all the oregano is mixed in. And then when you're happy that everything's mixed in, you're going to spread it out across your pizza. Near enough to the ends. Okay, so we'll come back to you in a minute and we'll spread it all out. Okay. It all out on a base, so it's just touching the sides. And we're going to put it on the oven middle shelf now for about 10 minutes. This is a fan assisted one, so it cooks a bit quicker. And then we'll get back to you in 10 minutes. Okay? We're waiting for this to cook, because it's going to be on 10 minutes. We've prepared a topping, which is going to be the mushroom that we've sliced, and you've got to slice them quite thinly, and your peppers that we've sliced as well, only quite thin, your red, green and yellow, and some red onion that we sliced very thinly, chopped it up. So when that comes out, we can just put these straight on top. You're going to put your mozzarella cheese on first. You're going to put your slices of this and then that on the top. Okay, any spare gaps we're going to fill in with the grated one. Okay, we've had it in 10 minutes. We're going to get it out now, and that means then your base is cooked. So it's going to look like that. Now then, these pizza stones are good because, not stones, they're the ones with the holes in, because they cool down quicker. Just put it on top of your oven, and then get your mozzarella. And my daughter likes doing this. She's only 5 and she likes it rounded. So you can put your mozzarella rounds on, put the cheese at the bottom, and then we'll put the toppings on. So we'll get back to you when we put the cheese on, and we'll come back to you in 2 minutes. Okay? Holding your gaps with your bits of slices, so that's your cheese layer done. And then you're just going to put on your peppers and your mushrooms and your onion in any combination you want. Because you don't want to put a lot on, because you want them to cook. So just put your onion on, and then your peppers and your mushrooms. So we'll get back to you when we've covered it and you can see what we've done. Okay? Right, we've put our toppings on. We've only put them thinly, don't put them thick. And then when they're ready like that, all spread out evenly, we're going to bob it back in the oven for about 10 minutes so the cheese is bubbling, and then we're ready. Okay? So we'll get back to you in another 10 minutes. Okay? I'm just over 10 minutes, fan assisted. And the cheese is, but when you get your cheese cooking, everything cooks like that, and then pull it out. And then we're going to slice it up, and you can see the finished product. Okay?